Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will study agricultural revolution. As we all know that we belong to Stone Age and then we shifted to computer age, our modern age. So similar things happen with our diet too. Agricultural revolution is a period of transition from hunting to the shift of agricultural foods. Before 12,000 BC, there was no agriculture, there was only hunting. Agriculture is farming plus livestock. First agricultural revolution date back to 12,000 years ago, Neolithic era. They started using domestic animals for the use of agriculture to raise crops and food. Second revolution period was from 1871 to 1914. In this revolution, machines were used in agriculture rather than domestic animals. Third agricultural revolution is also known as Green Revolution. In this, biotechnology advancements were used to raise agricultural crops and off-season crops all the year. Agricultural revolution was a result of complex interaction of social, economic, and farming technologies. Crop rotation is the practice of growing a series of dissimilar types of crops in a sequence so that there is buildup of nutrients. Selective breeding techniques were used to produce better seeds having desirable traits which increase the crop yield. Higher output of livestock due to intensive farming with higher labor inputs. There are many environmental impacts of agricultural revolution such as climatic change and agriculture are interrelated process because agriculture increase the global warming, hence increasing climate change. Many forests are cleared so that land for agriculture is available. Genetic engineered crops are herbicide tolerant and their overuse have created herbicide resistant super weeds which may ultimately increase the use of herbicides. Because of irrigation, the underground aquifers have been depleted through overdrafting. High yielding varieties are used in modern agriculture to produce more crop yield. They require large amount of water and fertilizers. The crop becomes vulnerable to pest attack. Potato famine that occurred in Ireland in 1969 was due to pest attack on crop due to monoculture, leading to crop failure. Concentration of toxic substances increases several times when it is transferred from one organism to another. Like, for example, DDT concentration caused reproductive failure in birds, their eggs hatch before time. Due to improper drainage, water gets accumulated in farm known as waterlogging. When water evaporates, it causes salinity in the soil. As a result, crop plants may die. Have you ever heard that hemoglobin combines with nitrate to form methemoglobin, which is unable to carry the oxygen? So, do you know where it comes from? It comes from leaching of nitrates leading to groundwater contamination. Soil erosion is due to excessive water supply and wind that removes top fertile layer of the farm. Greenhouse emissions, loss of natural habitat and biodiversity loss is due to agricultural revolution. So I hope this video is clear and it is pretty understandable. If you like the video, do like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And until the next video, stay curious.